Hi, after watching this video, you will understand why an image view is not resizable by default in SwiftUI. So let's get started. In this SwiftUI project, I have only a text view. Let's select the text view and change it to image. So now we need to specify the name of the image we want to use. Let's go to the assets folder and drag an image to the location. I'm going to drag this image to the assets folder. If I select the image and go to the attributes inspector, I can copy the name of the image here. I'll go to content view.swift and replace hello world with the name of the image, like that, and then resume the preview. We can change the size of the image using the frame modifier. Let's do so. Alright, frame and specify the width and height of the image. I'm going to write 100 as the width and the height as 100 as well. You can see the image still retains the original size. It is not resizable. Let's take a look at why. I can demonstrate this visually in Kite, which uses the same core graphics framework as SwiftUI. I'm going to open a Kite document and drag the same image onto the canvas. Here I can grab the handles of the image and try to resize it. You can see the image is resizable. From the inspector under contents, we have this constant contents gravity. The contents gravity property of an image specifies how the image should be positioned or scaled within its bounds. I can click on that and look it up. You can see it says it is a constant that specifies how layers content are positioned or scaled within the bounds. We can resize the image, but if I change the contents gravity from resize aspect to center and resize, you see we cannot resize it anymore. So in SwiftUI, this constant is set to center, so you cannot resize the image. You have to make this image resizable. So let's go back to SwiftUI and make this resizable. Now that this image is resizable, if I resume the preview, you can see we have the new size. You can also change this from 100 and say 250 and change the height to 250 as well. You can see we have the image as resizable now. So to recap, before you can change the width and height of an image view in SwiftUI using the frame modifier, you need to change the contents gravity to resizable before you can do so. With this, I will end here. So thanks for watching.